Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 mini, and today I will show you how to pair the device with an Xbox controller. As you can see, I have one right over here, and the reason you might want to actually pair it up, your controller, to your device is, for instance, with use with different mobile games or things like Google Stadia or GeForce Now, just for like cloud gaming. So this works just flawlessly with it, though it does not have any kind of benefit of using it on the home screen. So anyway, let's get going to pairing it up. So pull down your control center from the right upper side and find the Bluetooth button, which for me is right over here. Hold it, this will expand it, and you can hold it again, and this will give you an overview of different devices that can pair. Now I believe if we put the controller into pairing mode, it still won't pop up, but I'm gonna check it out. So the way you start pairing your device, Xbox controller, is by pressing this button right over here. Hold it, and the light will start blinking. So let's see if it pops up here. But I don't see anything, so I'm gonna go to Bluetooth settings. Man, for some reason it's showing me AirDrop, which is not what I want. Just go back to Bluetooth and see if it's gonna show up. And there we go, it just popped up. So simply click on it and the light should become stable as it is right now, and it is connected. So right now, if you launch games that support gamepad, you can just use it without any kind of additional steps, just normally pressing whatever, it will work. Additionally, there's one shortcut that I know that will, which one was it? I did take a screenshot at one point by mistake, but I don't exactly remember how I did it. But yeah, anyway, that is how you repair your controller, and now you can use it with whatever supports it. So yeah, go have fun. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.